Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on the intervention system that is in the Envision Math, either 2020 or 2024 or any Envision Math textbook that you have available to you in Savvas Realize. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to choose this Teacher's Math New Jersey 2024 Grade 3 text. And from the left-hand side menu bar, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Math Diagnosis and Intervention System. So there are two parts of this system. Let me click on here. One is the diagnosis, or where you can diagnose students' skill deficiencies, or actually practice skill deficiencies to see where and how they would do within those standards and domains. And then you also have diagnostic tests and answer keys. So let's take a look at first the booklets. So the booklets here, we have A, B, C, D, and E. And if you notice, those booklets are for K through 3 students. And then below, you'll see booklets F, G, H, I, J, and that's for students in grades 5 through 6. So we're looking at a third grade class right now. So let's start here with booklet A. And booklet A is going to feature the standards, numbers, place value, money, and patterns. Okay, so coming down, you'll see A1, A2, and these are all the topics that are within this booklet that coincide with these standards. So let's take a look. Oh, and here you have, yes, that's the same thing. Okay, so here I'm going to click on, okay, so this is the actual booklet for this particular, this is the actual teacher guide for this particular booklet. So you can see, right, the teacher page and the student page that go along with it. And then below you'll see the actual concept here for A1 0 to 5, and now you'll see how to, teacher lesson plans on how to develop this, how to practice, and how to assess. Okay, and then the next one. So this is your kind of like your guide to this booklet A to teach. Then we could come down to the actual A1 0 to 5, and this is where you'll find the students' worksheets. So you can do two things here. You can print them out, or you can assign them to the students. Now, either way, you should be able to work closely with the students in these areas, because as you see, these would be areas of difficulty for your students. And you could use this as a intervention before you refer students to the child study team. Okay, so you can scroll down and see it's quite extensive for this booklet. Goes down to 94. So there are 94 areas here for practice. Okay, the next part of this intervention system is your diagnostic test and answer key. So let's click on that and take a look. So first, this is the answer key for the diagnostic tests, and below you'll see the diagnostic tests. So you can see there are 2 per grade level, and notice that there's two forms. So Form A for kindergarten and Form B. You could take a look and see the difference. I believe one is a little bit more difficult than the other, but you can certainly take a look and see which one you think that your student may perform better on. And then here, if you click on the diagnostic test answer keys, you'll get the answers to the grade level and the form here for the assessment that you have assigned to your students. Okay, that's Form B. So taking a look at what this looks like, again, this is the assessment for your students. This is grade kindergarten, Form A, so you can take a look. You can either assign this to your students, you can print it out, you can actually work with your students on one form, and then assign the test on the other form. However you feel would benefit your student, you have that ability. Going back, I just want you to notice also that there is a teacher guide for grades K to 3 for this intervention system, and it's different from the booklet teacher guide. So this is going to show you how to use the assessment piece, okay, the intervention and the monitoring for this area of the intervention area of Envision Math. Okay, and this is a 55-page booklet, and you can print it out. If you'd like, you can download it and then print it out later, however you feel would benefit you. Okay, so this has been a video on how to use the math diagnostic and intervention system with your students that may be struggling in a specific skill, specific standard in math for grades. This is for grades K through 3. If you teach multiple grade levels, you'll probably see the same information here, and this could be used for pre-referral to the child study team to possibly help your students before they would have to be referred. Okay, I hope this helps, guys. Have a great day.